Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Mind's Eye Tarot by Olivia Rose. This retails for $26.95 in the US and it's published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I am so excited. It looks gorgeous. This is a pretty big box too. So I will link down in the description box where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link where I sell my handmade ritual items and crocheted goodies. So let's get into this. The Mind's Eye Tarot invites you to embark on an adventure of the spirit, allowing your imagination to be your trusted guide. Through her lush mixed media artwork using tea and gold ink, Olivia Rose conveys the intuitive creative process that inspired the Mind's Eye Tarot and infused it with positive energy. The 78 borderless cards encourages us to dive deep into our own emotions, to connect with the stories and symbolism of the tarot and discover their meanings and messages. Includes 78 gilt-edged cards and a 172-page illustrated guidebook. All right, let's get into it. So pretty. Ooh. It does have a ribbon. Okay, it was just under the book. Look at this book. It is thick. All right. Oh. Okay. So before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook here and see if there's anything that we need to know before using the deck here. The symbolism and forms you see in each card were created using the energy and imagination I felt while thinking of the meaning behind each card. I drew strong inspiration from the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Very cool. They're all created by hand using watercolor paper markers, gold ink, and tea. Very cool. So then it goes into the card meanings. I just want to see. Oh, we do have spreads in the back here. So we have the 3-card spread. And then about the artist. Oh, how cool. Okay. Little spots for notes in the back. All right. I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right. There is the back. Very cool. There's that gold. Oh, okay, let's talk about cardstock. US Game System cardstock. I like it. It's flexible. It's not too thin, not too thin, not too thick. It's like that midpoint that I like a lot. And it snaps back. Love to see it. It's a good size too. All right, here we go. I love this art style so much. Guaranteeing that every time you use this deck, there's going to be something new that you pick up on. We have numbers and titles at the bottom. Oh, that's cool. And usually with gilded edges, you have to be careful about how you split the cards when you first open it up. I'm not having an issue with them sticking together so far, so that's fantastic. And it's never like the problem of the, the creators. It's just how it's manufactured. So sometimes they pull apart so easy like this. Other times they stick a little bit. You just have to be very gentle with how you pull them apart. This is beautiful. Feels very surreal, but also grounded. Oh, I love that. Yeah, it's a linen cardstock. I was trying to figure out whether or not it was the canvas print, but it does look like it's the linen. This is just so pretty. Wow. Ooh. So it might be a little difficult for beginners, just because it is kind of that surreal imagery, but I don't think it would be too challenging, especially with the guidebook. We'll look at that and see. It's not too out there with the symbols to where you couldn't understand what's going on. So I always like looking at these decks through the eyes of a beginner to see, you know, how they would feel about it, because there's so many beginners that watch this channel. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see how the minors are. I love the clouds there. It feels ethereal as well. There's just so much to see. The little beetle. Yeah, I really like this. In a way, it kind of reminds me of the Forhaxa deck, just because of that kind of surreal symbolism. It's completely different, but it reminds me of that in a way. And it also reminds me of the, oh gosh, it's the Universal Folk Oracle, I believe, the art style of that. Oh, very cool. Little mushroom. It feels like I'm having a trippy kind of moment here, because it feels like regular cardstock, but in the same sense, I can feel the little like linen texture. So I don't want to say for sure it's a linen deck, but at the same time, you know, it's not smooth completely. So I don't know. take what I say with a grain of salt here. I did look up to see if there was any information of whether or not it is stated specifically it's a linen deck, and I couldn't find it. So I don't want you to think that I am saying something that is not right. Oh, that's so cool. I just really connect with this art style. I think it is gorgeous. It feels very fluid. It feels like it's definitely something that came from the imagination straight to the page, or I'll say canvas. There's a lot of emotion here. It's just very intriguing. I love this cup suit. So there are a couple cards that have been sticking together. You just be gentle when you pull it apart. Like, look at all the detail that goes into it. Okay, swords. The colors are so pretty. Oh, it's on a bird. I love that. All right, and pentacles. Look at how pretty that is. And this does feel very positive. It feels uplifting. It feels very almost freeing. Oh, that's pretty. so cool. I really enjoy this. Oh, and a butterfly. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Love this gold. Yup. Oh, that's nice. Okay. The quality of the cardstock is so nice. All right, shuffles great this way too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're going to read for the Four of Swords. Okay, so we have the full picture printout on the left and the information on the right here. The Four of Swords shows a woman lying down peacefully. She appears to be in a state of repose while contemplating life and its choices. The Four of Swords card tells you the time for rest and rejuvenation is now. It's important that you restore your mental energies to be prepared to make decisions with a clear and rested mindset. Upright meaning, rest, rejuvenation, contemplation, a retreat. Reverse meaning, recovery, awakening, clairvoyance. And I just wanted to take a peek at the major here. So same situation. So there's not like a ton of information, but at the same time, there's just enough to help you through the reading. I'm not mad at that. I think that this is a beautiful deck. I think the quality of the cardstock is fantastic. And as you can see, you can tell there's that texture there. It's just a different feeling. I don't know why I am tripping out about that, but I enjoy it. I'm tripping out about it in a good way. So I think this is beautiful. I think this is different. I like the vibe of it. I like the art style a lot. I think the guidebook has just enough information to get you by. Do I want more? I always want more. But if you are a beginner, I definitely think you can totally use this. It will definitely be suitable for you. Regardless of your skill level, I think this is a very cool, very unique deck. So thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I am so thankful. And thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.